In this article, we will show you 3 simple yet efficient methods to download text messages from iPhone to computer. Method 1. How to transfer text messages from iPhone to computer with Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It is well designed for iPhone users to transfer or copy text messages from iPhone X's or X's Max XER X99 plus 876S6, etc. to PC swiftly. Steps: how to download text messages from iPhone to computer. Using Assistant for iOS, firstly, connect your iPhone to your computer. Second, you can pick up the ones you want to back up. Finally, you can click the Export button to select an output format. Then begin the transferring process. Method 2. How to save text messages from iPhone to computer with Doctor for iOS. Another program called Mobikin Doctor for iOS is also introduced by Mobikin Studio, which allows you to recover data from iPhone and then export the data to computer. Method 3. How to export text messages from iPhone to computer with iTunes. Install the latest iTunes on your PC. Connect your iPhone to the computer using the USB cable. In iTunes, click the iPhone button, go to Summary, and select this computer. Click Backup Now, and then Apply to start.